सो हे गाइस वेलकम बैक टू अनदर डे अनदर वीडियो। आज हम खेलने वाले हैं अनदर क्रैब्स ट्रेजर जिसका रिव्यू ओवरवेलमिंगली पॉजिटिव है। ओनली 3 GB का गेम है। आई थिंक इट्स जीनियस। 10 आउट ऑफ 10 रिव्यू ऑन स्टीम। वेट आई शो यू। सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अनदर क्रैब्स ट्रेजर। और अनदर क्रैब्स ट्रेजर इज अ सोल्स लाइक एडवेंचर। जिसको नहीं पता है सोल्स लाइक एडवेंचर इज गेम्स लाइक एल्डन रिंग, डार्क सोल्स। वो जॉनरा जो है उसमें बेसिक थिंकिंग ये है कि इट्स एक्सट्रीमली टफ एंड एवरी फकिंग लेवल इज एक्सट्रीमली चैलेंजिंग। तो इसका रिव्यू आप देख सकते हैं 10 आउट ऑफ 10 है 9,000 प्लस रिव्यूज में से। इट्स $30। और आई डोंट थिंक कि इससे अच्छा कुछ हो सकता है बिकॉज व्हेन आई डाउनलोडेड दिस गेम एंड आई प्लेड इट, इट वाज लाइक 3 GB एट मोस्ट। हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? दिस इज जीनियस। ठीक है, जो भी है, हम लोग ये एडवेंचर स्टार्ट करते हैं। So guys, this is the game. This is what we've been waiting for. हमें मेक श्योर करना है कि हम एटलीस्ट एक बॉस को डिफीट करें ये गेम प्ले में, ये रन थ्रू में।
What word comes to mind when you think of the Earth? For
Planet.
some, that word might be beautiful. Others might say the world is hateful or evil or unstable or full of shit. But above all else, the word that best describes our world is resilient. Against the odds, time and time again, creatures adapt to make the most of their given environment. Some learn to feed on others, stealing their vitality for their own. Some become scavengers, living off what strangers leave behind.
I didn't know turtles
And
eat
others
meat.
still, as we will soon see,
Oh, that transition was smooth.
would
कितना
prefer to
smoothly
be
ऊपर गया.
simply left alone.
Simply left alone. Okay. Oh, vibration's
Sir,
crazy.
please open up.
Loan shark.
Oh, you're not a bird.
Sir, are you the owner of this residence?
You mean my shell? Yeah, it's mine. Do you like it?
I represent the Royal Duchy of Slacktide, which has recently annexed the territory surrounding and including this tide pool. I'm here to inform you that you have outstanding taxes that date back an upwards of 10 tides. If you are presently unable to pay this balance, the Duchy will claim you home until you...
Hold on. I've got some questions. First of all, what's a duchy? Also, taxes.
Okay. So basically, the Duchess of Slacktide owns
Basically,
this small
every
area,
kid in this
and she puts a
reality.
lot of effort into keeping it safe.
What are taxes?
So everyone who benefits from that has to abide by her rules and pay up once per tide.
There's still plenty of birds here. I don't know if it's really safe.
Look, kid, I don't have time to argue political nuances here. I've got a lot of tax evaders to get through. You gotta pay up right now, or I'm gonna have to repo your property. Got it?
Repo your
I
property.
think I've got a hard kelp or two
शेल
around
लेने
here
की बात कर रहा है.
somewhere.
अपना शेल लेने की बात. ओके. तो सीन ऐसा है जिसको नहीं पता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ हर्मिट क्रैब. और हर्मिट क्रैब पूरे लाइफ अपना जो शेल है वो चेंज करते रहता है अलग अलग चीजों से, प्लास्टिक से, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, क्योंकि उसका साइज बढ़ते रहता है. दे डोंट हैव देयर ओन शेल. दिस इज लाइक वेरी सैड रियलिटी, especially in the world of crabs. So let's play. Oh, how cute is the graphics, man. Graphics is extremely cute. Okay. Okay, basic movements की आदत लगाते हैं. Ah, what the hell? How do you run? Okay. Okay, okay, I got it. Oh, what are these? Heart kelp. Everyone loves these delicious heart kelp pods. So they're often used for trading. Eating this makes you feel restored. Okay, these are health items. Health items, health items. Hopefully this is enough for taxes. Let's see if it is enough for taxes. No, this isn't much, but what the shell is this? They're hard kill pods. Don't tell me you don't even like hard kill. I hope you're joking. No one uses those dumb things as money anymore. The oceans moved to the trash. Trash standard now. Trash. You got it? Trash standard. So, like, no pearls either? No shiny pirate coins? That's right. None of the crap. Better find some bread clips or some damn sauce packets. I'm losing my darn patience. Look, if you just give me a couple more tides. Alright, I heard enough. Say goodbye to your shell, idiot. Wait, what? What the hell? घर लेके भाग गया? Crap, crap, crap. My home! Crap, crap, crap. Oh, cool. मेरा घर वापस कर. मेरा घर वापस कर. गायब. अब कहाँ गया? ओके. मेरा घर वापस कर. मेरा घर. मेरा घर. You can't do this to me, man. How am I supposed to stay safe from the birds and stuff around? Not my problem. You want a shell bag? You better go get a job and pay up. Oh my god. This is too close to reality. I hear they are always hiring in the reef. It's super busy there. I don't want to talk to people. How relatable. Again, not my problem. I don't care where you get the trash from, but I'm keeping this until you do. See you later. Hold! Crap, 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 crap. Give me my house back! Oh. Okay, देखते हैं next mission क्या है. Hold X while jumping to swim. ये कौन सा swimming है भाई? पर ठीक है. Let's swim. Now what to do? जिसको नहीं पता मैंने Elden Ring पूरा complete किया है. Even the अभी का जो latest DLC था, Shadow of the Earth 3. तो I am an Elden Ring pro. If you don't believe me, you'll see. Come on! Let's get that shiny thing over there. चमकीला चीज मुझे चाहिए. Oh! What the hell? Okay, इसका कंट्रोल थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है. बट हर गेम के तरह ये एक्चुअली हैव टू गेट. इस पे फोकस करने पर मैं बात नहीं कर पाता हूँ, सो आई विल बी फोकसिंग अ लिटिल. Yeah! Okay, we got it this time, boys. Fuck! Okay. I want that shiny thing. और पता नहीं कि जितनी बार मुझे करना पड़े मैं करूंगा. Just jump. Like इसमें मेरे हिसाब से एल्डन रिंग की तरह आइटम्स. What the hell? आइटम्स का बहुत वैल्यू होता है. Because this is Souls like, so we have to make sure कि वो है क्या चीज पता करें और उसको कलेक्ट करके उसका यूज कर पाए ना. We were almost there, man. This is getting crazy. हम लोग गेम चालू करते ये सब बकचोदी कर रहे हैं. Come on. Come on, this time, this is it. Million times is a champ. Oh, this is because of this net. ये glitch कर रहा है. Okay, this is the problem. Come on. See, that was the problem. मैं भी यही सोच रहा हूँ ये issue क्या है. I hope a small chunk of plastic in the shape of crab's claw. Maybe it has some values. Bread claw. Trade it in for 250 microplastics. Microplastics. Okay, that may be currency in this game. Okay. मुझे नहीं लगता ऊपर रहने की अभी जरूरत है. So let's go. I love this little Naruto run that is doing. Oh, hey, it's another crab. Excuse me, sir. Did you really see some tall shark pass by carrying a super awesome dope looking shell? work. That's what I'm trying to not to do. That's what I gotta catch up. Worthless. Holy crap! What is wrong with your eyes? This is just a real crab. ऐसा ही होती है इनकी आंखें. Oh God, get away from me. Have you been sleeping enough? What the hell? Holy shit! Holy shit! घेर के मारा जा रहा है guys. घेर के मारा जा रहा है. This is wrong. This is holy shit! मुझे लगता है लेवल में सिर्फ रन करना है क्योंकि हम अभी तक अटैक करने का ना बटन का प्रॉम्प्ट आया ना कुछ. Ah! No 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 ninja walk. Ah. नो बट सीरियसली यार अटैक किया तो इन लोग ने बहुत ज्यादा एकदम से घेर के मारने की कोशिश की. ओके लेट्स कंटिन्यू. आई न्यू दैट ओशन कुड बी स्केची. हाँ हाँ हम लोग को खुद को लगा था. ये क्या है? टेप. ओके वेपन. वेपन मिल गया. R to swing the fork. R1 1 hold R1 charge attack. ओके तो मेरे हिसाब से ये जब उनका पॉइज टूट जाए या पोस्चर टूट जाएगा तब. एक मिनट मुझे उधर ऊपर जाना है. व्हाट इज दैट शाइनी थिंग ओवर देयर? या फिर हम लोग घूम के उधर से ही आएंगे. घूम के उधर से ही आएंगे. फोकस ऑन एनिमीज. ओके इतना तो पता है. Oh, I love this focus, man. He's like, okay, let's do this, bitch. That's some stuff I really like. मुझे पसंद है ऐसा focus. Dodge. Okay, I've been dodging for the last 5 to 10 minutes. और तू मुझे this game is not tough at all. पता नहीं क्यों जब भी मैं ऐसा कुछ सोचता हूँ या बोलता हूँ आई ऑलवेज गेट डिफीटेड रियल बैड और मेरा सारा ईगो मेरे हाथ में लाके रख दिया जाता है. सो ओके वी हैव टू जंप. सो आई वाज राइट अबाउट घूम के जाना. ए व्हाट इज दैट? व्हाट इज दिस? whatever the hell that is. We have an inventory तो शायद उसके बारे में भी कुछ लिखा होगा. हाँ this okay it's skill. okay it's skills. अनलॉक करने के लिए उतने पॉइंट्स या जो भी वो था वो लगेगा. crystals. Whoa, what's that thing? The current starts getting warm close to this little platform. It's kind of comfy. Maybe I could rest my feet here for a little while. Okay. So this is like bonfire. Okay. So इसमें bonfire होता है. इसका पर्पस हेल्थ भरना और बेसिकली सेव करना होता है गेम को. Now Souls like में every time you die you come back here. Not specifically ये जो भी moon shell है at that point. So you can level up. I didn't know you can level up. Wow, thank you for showing me that I can level up without any points. So let's continue our journey. I think एक major boss को defeat करके जाएंगे. There you are. Wow, you're awfully persistent. I think I've been pretty clear with you, kid. This shell is the property of the Duchess now. If you want to take it back, take it up to her. Not me. My work is done. Come on, man. There's got to be something I can do. Yeah, now that you mention it, I can think of something. You can lick my freaking ventral fins and stop bothering me. Little kid. Oh, this guy. I imagine इसकी आवाज ऐसी रहेगी क्योंकि this guy is very cute. You can see his eyes. This guy is extremely cute. भले से वो निंजा रन कर रहा है और लड़ रहा है शेल से. So, oh, We can talk to him. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't see your type leaving the tide pool too often. Well, I don't have a choice. Can you tell me what's going on here? I heard there's a duchess in charge. Yeah, sure, real piece of work takes up all my hard-earned microplastics every tide. What do you see for it? Nothing, just keeps building up her castle and hiring more soldiers to defend it. Okay, that's cool. Where can I find her? I think she has something of mine. Look around a moment, you'll probably figure it out. Or did you miss that huge castle? Okay, I see now. I see it. Okay, great. I'll head over there. Blah blah blah. I see how it is. You're some kind of freeloader, are you? Bet you think you can skirt your taxes while rest of us keep this society together, do you? You just said the hermit crabs are all the same. See, I knew he was a hermit crab. Wearing the shells and the rest of us worked so hard to create with our own mantles. You'd have stayed in your tide pool, small fry. I never did anything wrong to you, man. Yeah, well, how about I do something? Hey, what the hell? Hey, hey. Why are you attacking me? Just leave me alone. How about I do something? Eh? Where shell? I think अपने को shell मिल गया. Why does everything? This shell doesn't even fit. Okay, मैंने वो थोड़ा सा skip कर दिया. But I think we all get what they're saying. Go to the fucking castle. No boy, no boy. Souls like games में ऐसा भी एक सिस्टम है जहाँ पे एक बात साफ समझ नहीं रहती है. If it's getting too difficult, just fucking run past your enemies, run past your problems. रियल लाइफ में करना पाए पर सोल्स गेम में कर सकते हैं क्योंकि that's the only option sometimes. What the hell? That was a long delay. Fuck off. Fuck off. Up heal. See, I told you hard kill was for healing. मतलब इतना सटल हिंट तो कोई नहीं देता ना ग्रीन कलर का हार्ट. What is this? Microplastics? नहीं, blood star, severed blood star easily regenerates. Okay, इससे health बढ़ती है. Okay. So what now? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, hey, hey. What the hell? No, no, no. What the hell? ए भाई पब्लिक लेके मार रहे मेरे को. पब्लिक जमा करके मार रहे. बाय 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 बाय. मैं वापस आऊंगा बदला लेने. टेंशन मत लो तुम लोग. तुम लोग को मैं बाद में देखता हूँ. ओ ए भाई बस करना. बस करना. कितना शेल ना होने का फायदा उठा रहा है. चल. सो वहां पे अपना अपग्रेड थिंग है पर उन लोग पता नहीं वहां पे क्रैब वाले क्या कर रहे. दे आर डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ रिचुअल. सो लेट्स प्लान अहेड. मुझे फटाफट लेके भागना है बस. नहीं नहीं नहीं. आई एम गोइंग. ये वी गॉट इट. वी गॉट इट बॉयज. वी डिड इट. Finally a save. Now you cannot touch me. Hey, 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 hey. Bye bye. थोड़ा सा भी खुश होने जाता हूँ तो याद आ जाता है कि ये सोच लाइक है. Oh, shell collection. So you're telling me you can get all these shells, 69 shells, and you want this shell only? Okay. Absolutely no level up. Sorry. Shell collection. क्या मतलब है लेवल अप नहीं कर सकते? आई थिंक हम लोग ने वो चुराया करके हमारा स्किल लॉक. एवरी स्किल इज लॉक. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू द गेम. देखते हैं आगे जाके क्या क्या अनलॉक होता है. ये आई लव कि ये सिगरेट बट्स और ये छोटे छोटे माइक्रो प्लास्टिक के टुकड़े दैट काइंड ऑफ रोड और डेकोर बनाने के लिए यूज किया जा रहा है. दोज पेंसिल्स ओवर देयर, दिस कैसल. तो हम लोग कैसल पहुंच गए. ऑल ट्रेसपासर by the order of the Duchess, all suspicious character are to be barred from Slacktide. Okay. Suspicious. I thought I looked pretty harmless, downright adorable, huggable even. Perhaps you speak a truth, vagrant, but I shall near, never near grant his thou, whatever. What? These mighty gates, while thy loins remain ungirded. Okay. She's basically saying हम लोग नंगे. Ex shucking use me? Do you take a hint? She's saying you're naked. Oh yeah, I guess I hadn't thought about that. Is that important these days? I feel like society's really moved on without me while I've been practicing self-care. Oh my god. So relatable. Sure seems like it. The Duchess would have our heads if you let you in wearing nothing but a rag. Fret not, little crustacean, nearby. To the east lieth a repository laden with complimentary garmentry. Okay. Face the gate and turn right. You'll find a charity center. You can get something to wear. Okay. A captain is stationed there right now, I think. Okay. Hmm. Ah. Sorry about that. मेरे को थोड़ा सा cough problem है. Great guy. He'll get you sorted. Sounds cool. And then you'll let me in? Assuming nothing sketchy comes up in the background check? Sure. Okay. So let's talk to the captain. No, fishy fishy. I'm not letting you come near me. Not you and you. Oh, there is it. There it is. Okay. Oh, cans. I think a shell's there, right? Yeah, yeah. Where's shell? Now I can get in to see the Duchess. The safe the shell chafes like heck compared to mine. Who even made this thing? This isn't actually a press L1 to hide inside your shell. Divert your damage to shell health. Okay. So there is a shell health button. Oh, that is cute. Okay, let's continue.
Claws off, lawbreaker!
Oh, crap. I'm sorry. Was I supposed to grab a ticket?
You think yourself above the law?
Above the law!
Is not
Not so easily outwitted.
by its strength alone.
The voice, though, the voice.
Of the beast.
Ah! Stop
I'm
shouting.
really sorry. I'll go to the back of the line, okay?
You should be so lucky. I'll have your head like I have these.
What the hell is your problem?
worthless
Lawbreaker?
lawbreakers.
मतलब मैंने वो कैन लिया तो मैं लॉ ब्रेकर हो गया. वाह. I thought, okay, captain of the guard. I thought captain was a good guy. He'll get me sorted. ये क्या कर रहा है? Ah! Okay, this is the first boss, so let's try to defeat it. Nice. Okay, that was a ninja type move. Holy shit. Elden Ring. Oh shit, I am going to be hurting myself. Okay, let's not lose this shit. Ah, fuck. Is there parry in this game? Parry? Ah.
His soul is destined for the grave.
When you're slain, you'll drop all your microplastics and your shell if you had one in the spot where you died. Be careful when you go back to pick them up. If you die again while still on the ground, they will be lost forever. Okay. I need a shell. What the hell was that? What kind of dressing is that? Okay, round two, boy. Let's do this. Okay, okay. Lawbreaker and all that. Stop shouting. कहाँ गया? कहाँ गया? I'm not. The problem is I'm not focusing. I should focus. Focus, boy. Focus. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you can parry or at least absorb complete damage. I think so. I hope there's no stamina. Holy shit, that was big damage. I am getting destroyed by this crab.
Soul is destined for the grave.
Trust me, मैं Elden Ring पार कर चुका हूँ पूरा का पूरा, including the last boss Radan. But ये game, there is always a learning curve. सीखना पड़ता है, right? We have to stay positive, guys, and keep fighting जब तक हम जीत नहीं जाते.
Close off.
No, don't shout. Okay, so there is no parry, I think. So all you have to do is like dodge, right? Come on. Game mode on. Focus. Nice 4 combo. Yes, nice dodge. Keep it up. Nice dodge. Keep it up. The damage is going off the charts. Nice block. No! He's actually घोड़े के तरह ही है ये literally. Oh shit. Let's do this. My shell is badly damaged now. I have to change the shell. I have to change the shell. I have to change the shell. Yes. Yes. Thank God there are extra shells there. Unblockable attacks. Some attacks are unblockable aggro attacks signaled by the aggro symbol above the krill. Above krill. Okay. Let's feel health. नहीं अभी हेल्थ भरा था. Take this boy. No, इतना close नहीं. Health. Oh, that was a close one. Shell change. Yes. Holy shit. He's destroying us. No. I will not be defeated by the likes of you.
You can't run the law forever, kid.
That was self-defense, right? That's gotta be self-defense. Anyone would agree. He came at me like a crazy guy. What was I supposed to do? Shuck. Okay, play it cool. If anyone asks, he just tripped and broke his leg and landed on his. Oh. So when you're healing, अगर किसी ने तुम्हें हिट किया तो वो हाथ से गिर जाता है. That's a real good problem, man. Let's move on. टुक. I love the way he runs. So कुछ चीजें चेक करने के लिए मैंने पॉज किया था. I told you कि after first boss मैं pause करूंगा. And how cute is this animation? How cute is this animation, man? कितना cute लग रहा है वो. Look at this little guy. He is happy. What the hell? तो हम लोग उसको लूज कर सकते हैं? नहीं नहीं भाई, वापस लाओ, हमें उसकी जरूरत है. So yeah, exactly after the boss fight मैंने pause किया था. Another Moonsnail shell found. Let's go. I hope इस बार हम लोग कुछ अपग्रेड कर पाए. Yes, level up. Vitality, damage your shell takes. Okay, defense होगा. Attack enhances physical strike and massage message. What is that? Enhances damage of umami based attacks. Umami based attacks. Okay, I don't know about the umami, but I sure need some attack damage. I can have 2 points. Okay, so attack, one resistance. Okay, let's go. Krill is happy. Krill is back. Shell collection में can add हो गया है. No ability. Fizzle releases pressurized air to push away enemy in a cone. And how to use that? I don't know. How to do that? Fizzle. Okay, I guess पता चल जाएगा. So now where? Oh हाँ, हमें कपड़ा मिल गया तो हमें टावर की तरफ जाना चाहिए. Is there a map on this thing? I guess not. Let's go. So bottles can bottles be broken into microplastics? नहीं. Holy shit. The vibration इसमें बहुत strong है तो मुझे अचानक से वो hit किया. I was shocked. What is that? Bread claw. Nice, nice. I like it. You see what kind of boss I defeated, right? Just leave me alone. Just fuck off. तुम लोग के अभी तुम लोग ने देखा है का पूरे whatever the hell that was उसको मैंने हरा दिया. Oh, there's a just leave me alone. You return exhibitionist. You draped appropriately, no less. I trust you spoke with the captain. The captain, funny, I must have missed him. The captain, okay, missed him, huh? That's pretty weird. Whatever, you're not nude anymore, and that's what counts. Hark, a very, very vagabond doth grace our gates. Pray I would see them part for. Open the gate, mate. You got it. Hey, I feel like this is there's an awful lot of violence around here. I thought the whole point of the Duchess was to make things safe. Go tell her about it, kid. See how quickly you get kicked back to your tide pool. Okay, what is this? Oh, banana peel. What new shell discovered? Nice. इसका डिफेंस 10 है, ना के बराबर. इसका क्या स्पेशल एबिलिटी है जरा चेक करते. मंच. Consume some shell health to restore Krill's health. No, I don't want it. I want this. मैं अपना हेल्थ अच्छे से ध्यान रखूंगा. Talk. Get moving, kid. Okay. I'll be moving. Hey, is he dancing? Captain takes his job very seriously and expects the same for all of us. We've been doing this non-stop since high tide. तो ये हाई टाइड मतलब काफी टाइम से सिर्फ ये जो भी ये कर रहा है वही कर रहा है. ओके. Is that a pencil with some paper clip? वो है क्या चीज पर? Is it defense? Yeah, it's a defense shield. Nice castle, by the way. Cardboard doors, gates. Wow, I like it. Creativity. The sculpture around here can be hit or miss, but I kinda dig this one. Can be a hit or miss. Okay. I don't know what you want in the tower, but no chance, Hasling. Don't you have more pressing matters to get the inside? Okay, let's go to the Duchess. Let's see uska behavior. Holy shit! There's a long line to meet the Duchess. Hey, where do you think you're going, chum? I'm going to see the Duchess. Oh, just gonna walk in, see the Duchess. What do you think we're all standing around here for? A tour? Come back when you've made appointment like the rest of us. Actually, due to gap in our schedule, our Royal Duchess is receiving walkings for the next 15 minutes. Wait, huh? Oh, neat. I'll head on in then. Huh? सही है. So basically, वो Duchess चाहती है हम उससे मिले. Let's see what the Queen says. Oh, fancy. Speak.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
इसकी आवाज लिटरली वैसी है यार. How cute is the voice.
I recently had my shell taken away, and I was wondering if there's any way we could work out some sort of a...
Some sort of.
like my castle, little hermit?
Your castle? Oh, it's pretty neat, I guess.
You guess? A lot of work went into this place, you know? Work made possible by generous contributions from citizens like yourself.
What are you talking about? You are literally bullying everyone. सबको लूट के कमाया है
And it
इसने.
was worth it,
कमीनी.
don't you think?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Look, I can find another way to pay my taxes, but for now, I'd really just like to...
Even more gorgeous than the coral reefs, wouldn't you say?
I've never been to... I mean, yeah, absolutely. The reefs are super overrated. Everyone says so.
Oh, perhaps we can work out a deal, little hermit. But first, I'll need something from you.
Okay, what do you need?
My castle still lacks a certain
Panache. Pizzazz.
flair. Je ne sais quoi.
Where is French in the ocean?
A platoon went out on my behalf to recover something shiny and gorgeous from the cave to the west.
Shiny and gorgeous, okay.
But those buffoons haven't reported in since. Such incompetence.
Competence.
Climb the western tower to begin your journey,
Journey to the cave, okay.
Then catch up with my platoon and help recover something worthy of my beauty. Return to me with trinket in claw, and we can speak of delaying your tax payments for no longer than 2 calendar tides.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I won't let you down. I'll get you the shiniest thing I can. Oh yeah, I also wanted to mention the crazy murderous crabs outside trying to...
Begone, little hermit. I tire of you.
Yes, ma'am!
So she is not going to be helping us. एक और बार बात करके देखते हैं. Are your ears will be signed, little hermit? I gave you a task. Okay. I'm going. वह कुछ भी बोले, एक्चुअली ब्यूटीफुल तो है. सॉरी अगर मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ तो, क्योंकि क्या है ना, वीडियोस बनाते वक्त मेरी अंग्रेजी निकल जाती है, मेरे अंदर का बोरा पकोड़ा जाग जाता है. अभी ट्राई माय बेस्ट कि मैं हिंदी में जितना हो सके बात करूं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू. ओके, लेट मी गो. अच्छा, ये रास्ते नहीं जाना है. Everyone wants to talk, पर जैसे ही मैं बात कर रहा हूँ मुझे भगाया जा रहा है. उसने क्या बोला था, हमें कहाँ जाना है? There is no map, right? Is there a map? There is a map. So we have to go to, I don't know. We cannot interact with map. We just can look somewhere. So यहाँ पे मैंने बॉस को मारा है on the right side. Okay. Okay, we'll see. Oh look, it's a whole town. ये पूरा का पूरा शहर. Oh wow. That's actually kind of cute. Yay! It's so cute. Even the can changes are so, shell changes are so awesome in this. How cute. I love it. मेरी हेल्थ पता नहीं कैसे कम हो गई. So I have to go to the west, right? This one. I like this color. Yes. Okay, तो मैं कैसल पे वापस चला गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ आइटम्स है जो मुझे लेने हैं, अपग्रेड के लिए जरूरी है. I see it, but मेरे पास ग्रैपलिंग हुक तो है नहीं, तो we'll try to get it. Oh, there's upgrade stuff over there. ये एक ग्रैपलिंग हुक है जो कि एक अपग्रेड है. वापस से बोल रहा हूँ, we have to get it. No, no, come on. Come on, I almost had it. Oh, nice. Fishing line, a sturdy piece of string. Aim at the fish hook and release to grapple towards it. Nice. तो grappling hook ही था ये. या fishing line था, पता नहीं. I don't really know. Upgrade materials. Come on, let's do this. Oh. Hold L2 and release to grapple. That's cool. That's cool. ओके, यहाँ से नहीं ले सकते. आई गेस मुझे वापस से पूरा क्लाइंब करना पड़ेगा. ओके. व्हाट इज दैट? वहां पहुंचने का तरीका. ओके, मुझे वैसे भी वही बंदे से बात करनी थी क्योंकि वो ऊपर खड़ा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही इज अप देयर, बट है. दिस रूम वाज सपोज्ड टू बी क्लीन्ड for the urchins still blocking the west. No way to meet up the platoon in time. I think हमें सारे आइटम्स मिल चुके हैं. ऑलमोस्ट जाता था मैं यार, बच गया. ओके, ग्रैपलिंग हुक. C star +3 vitality. Then wrong though. Stowaways, you can you just found your first stowaway, a little friend that you can equip in the status menu to gain all sorts of benefits. But their bonuses only apply while you're wearing a shell, so don't take them for granted. Okay, don't take them for granted. So stowaway. Yes, we got a +3 vitality, right? Let us check. या हेल्थ उधर 10 दिखा रहा है, अभी तेरा. राइट, ऑसम. और ऊपर नहीं जा सकते तो आई गेस विल जंप. ओके, दिस रूम डन. और कोई रूम है? कैन यू ब्रेक दिस? नहीं. होली शिट. ओह, इसके पास कोई मिशन है शायद. Can I get by here? Does it look like it? A shipment of Fort's defenses urchin got spilled out across the hall. It's really got the Duchess up in arms. Whoa. Well, I really gotta get by here. Duchess order. Duchess orders. Alright, I'll tell you what. झूठ बोला कमीने ने. I think there's some leftover gear in the room across the hall that can help you get into this tower. Just don't go blaming me if you get yourself hurt. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से शायद वो ग्रैपलिंग हुक की बात कर रहा है. वो रूम से हम लोग अभी जस्ट आए. सो लेट्स डू दिस. ओह, मुझे हर बार एल्डन रिंग वाली डिफिकल्टी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए। इट वाज दैट सिंपल और नहीं हो पाई। इवन पिछली बार वो कार्ड का तो नहीं, ओके एक्सपेक्ट करनी चाहिए, नहीं करनी चाहिए, करनी चाहिए। हर बार एल्डन रिंग वाली डिफिकल्टी एक्सपेक्ट करनी चाहिए। ओके, आई हैव टू स्टे सीरियस ऑल द टाइम। हे भाई मर जाएगा। आउच। क्या भाई, क्या आर पर आर पर। ओके वंस अगेन लेट्स डू दिस। तो हमें गैप्स ढूंढने हैं, राइट? एंड हाउ कैन वी फाइंड गैप्स? अगर अभी आएगा तो कैसे गैप ढूंढूं? प्लीज 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 प्लीज, जल्दी 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 जल्दी। ओके अभी नहीं गिर रहा है, एक ही था। Oh shell, are you okay? I can't believe I dropped. I'm so stupid. इसके वजह से he might have been joking around. Classic Captain Afro, a golden smile and a joyful heart of a prankster. नेफ्रो वही बॉस है जिसको हम लोग ने अभी डिफीट किया था, जो चिल्ला के "You are not above the law" वो वाला। सब इसकी इतनी तारीफ कर रहा है एंड वो मुझे ऐसे अटैक करने आ गया and I literally killed him. Now I feel bad, you know. Oh, shiny. Barnacle, an immobile arthropod with a tough shell often found to larger structures. Okay, plus 10 defense. I think ये भी 6 तो away है. Plus 10 defense, that's huge. इसको भी 2 स्टार लगते हैं, इसको भी 2 स्टार लगते हैं, तो there is plus 3 vitality or that. But I think vitality doesn't matter that much if you have this on, क्योंकि डिफेंस इतना बढ़ जाएगा तो अपने को जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी शायद। What is this? Nothing. Okay. Hey, I'm impressed. I didn't think anyone could make it to the searching thing. हाँ ठीक है। Swap shell. Okay, this is a shell. New shell discovered. ये shell की क्या खासियत है? Bottle cap. Pop off. A surprise strike from your shell that launches the enemy in front of you. Okay. डिफेंस प्लस 20 ही है और इसका प्लस 30, राइट? हाँ, मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता उसके स्पेशल स्किल्स कैसे यूज होते बाय द वे। Oh, you can drop this kind of like a shortcut. Okay, nice. Shortcuts are way common in Souls-like games. Let's do this. Okay. Poison. There is poison in this game. What was that big fish over there? Right. So I guess guys, okay, I guess इतना बस करते हैं, यहाँ पे आज स्टॉप करते हैं अपनी जर्नी आज की। टिन कैन, नाइस, शेल शॉक, आई लाइक इट। सो आज की जर्नी यहाँ पे स्टॉप करते हैं बिकॉज आई थिंक यहाँ से बस ओपन वर्ल्ड है, सो वी हैव अ लॉट टू डिस्कवर। ओह वहाँ पे केव्स है शायद। अ लॉट टू डिस्कवर एंड अ लॉट टू लर्न। और इसी के साथ नहीं, ओके वेल एटलीस्ट मैंने शॉर्टकट अनलॉक किया था। इसी के साथ एंड करते हैं आज का with Krill saying bye bye. Just kidding. All right. See you guys. That's about it. I will continue this gameplay as soon as I can. Maybe tomorrow, maybe sham ko. Let's see. See ya.